I will tell you my story. I have a respectable job in the government of Arunachal Pradesh. In this joy and out of curiosity, I fell in love with 100 pipers. That was so soothing during that time. But the effect has come upon me this time. Right now I am admitted at Hyderabad Asian Institute of Gastroenterology. I am undergoing treatment for liver and kidneys both. So my message to you brothers and you guys is live your time, live your life, enjoy, but drink responsibly. It's only because of this whiskey, alcohol, now I am in this position. I may recover soon, maybe, but the trauma I have gone through is not to be experienced, and I don't want to let you, my brothers, any of you, to experience this trauma. So I would also request Tanung, my brother, Chief of ABC, let this be the message for the riders who come to the Changlang Underground Fest.